To enhance Bixby's voice recognition in Samsung Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus, open Bixby settings. Swipe right across the home screen. Tap More icon. Tap Settings. Tap Bixby's voice switch until blue to enable. Scroll down. Tap Enhanced Voice Recognition. Teach Bixby your pronunciation style so that Bixby can understand you better. Tap the Bixby logo to start. Health is always important. Bixby would like to visit the Bixby Bridge in California. Choose a music genre for me. You can save web pages as bookmarks in your browser. A good zoom lens can make a world of difference. Tap Done. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.